How to become rich, 7 smart strategies for building wealth. Hello, and welcome to our video on how to become rich. Whether you want to earn a lot of money, achieve financial freedom, or retire early, the strategies we'll be sharing today can help you achieve those goals. Let's get started. Before we get started, let's talk about why you should care about becoming rich. The truth is, being rich doesn't mean you'll automatically be happy or fulfilled, but it can give you the freedom to live life on your own terms. You'll have more choices, more opportunities, and more security. Plus, you'll be able to help others and make a positive impact on the world. So, how can you become rich? Here are 7 smart strategies for building wealth. Step 1. Identify your goals. The first step to becoming rich is to identify your goals. What does being rich mean to you? Is it a certain net worth you want to achieve? Are you looking to pay off debt or invest more? Do you want to retire early? By getting specific about your goals, you'll be better equipped to make a plan to achieve them. Step 2. End your high-interest debt. Nothing can hold you back from becoming rich like high-interest debt. The interest charges can add up quickly, and it can take years to pay off. Start by listing all your loans from highest interest rate to lowest, and consider making extra payments toward the original loan amount on your high-interest debts first. This will minimize the total amount of interest you might owe by the time the debt is paid off. Step 3. Start budgeting and saving money. To pay off debt and achieve your financial goals, it's important to learn how to manage your money. Create a budget by identifying your income and expenses, keeping track of major spending categories, and looking for areas where you can cut back to save extra money. Use the savings you make to build an emergency fund, grow a nest egg, pay down debt, or even invest. Step 4. Pay yourself first. Without enough money for emergencies, you risk getting into a tough financial spot if an unexpected expense arises. To bolster your savings, make sure to pay yourself first. This means setting aside a portion of your monthly paycheck to put into a savings account, so you don't spend it elsewhere. You may even automate this process so that it's done before the money becomes available to spend. Step 5. Start investing as soon as possible. Investing your money is often one of the best ways to build wealth over time, assuming that your investments are successful. Invest in stocks, mutual funds, or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, to join the market as early as possible and take advantage of the power of compound returns. Step 6. Increase your income. To become rich, you'll need to earn more money than you spend. One way to do this is to increase your income. Consider asking for a raise at work, starting a side hustle, or creating passive income streams through rental properties, investing, or royalties. Step 7. Surround yourself with successful people. The people you surround yourself with can have a big impact on your success. Surround yourself with people who are positive, driven, and successful. Join networking groups or attend events where you can meet people who share your goals and aspirations. And there you have it, 7 smart strategies for building wealth and becoming rich. Remember, becoming rich is not an overnight process, and it takes hard work, dedication,